Friday sews. Welcome to the show. My life and what I've sown. Next week, what's on the go? Let's hang and see what Mabel and Willow might do. Don't forget Mr. Christopher too. Subscribe, like, and share just to let me know you care.
Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. I'd like to say welcome. Welcome to the show. Today is Friday and I'm going to do a hashtag Friday Sews. Hashtag Friday Sews was started by Jen in Jen's sewing room, who decided to get some like-minded people together, started a hashtag, and if you do type in hashtag Friday Sews, you'll find a lot of us around the world that talks about our week, what we've sewn, what we plan to sew next week, and just a little bit about life. So I'm just going to get my water. So I've had quite a busy week. My client flew out to Sydney this morning at 6:45 a.m. and on Tuesday turned around and said, hey, I was wearing my white pants, my white wide leg pants or high-waisted pants, sorry, from Swim Style. Yep, Swim Style. And she said, oh, can I have a pair of white pants like that out of white linen? And I'm like, it's like a whole new pattern that I hadn't been making. I said, this has got a waistband and everything. She goes, oh, no, like these pants. So I made her the Tamarama blue pants, the Tamarama set in blue, and I made the, sorry, Mr. Christopher has just sent me a photo. So the Tamarama blue set pants, the long pants, she loved them. And so that was Tuesday. She goes, you got tons of time. I don't fly out till 6:45 Friday morning. I said, okay. I said, I'm going to have to find out if they got white linen in the local shop that's close to me in Lincraft. So I text my friend who is the manager down there and I said, hey, got white linen? So she did. And after singing on Wednesday, I shot down, got a couple of meters for a Tamarama white linen pants. Now, they looked good. I got to say, they looked good. I can't show them to you. She came... She had a haircut before she flew out and she came from Petone back to me, which was normally about a 15-20 minute drive. It took an hour, which was really good. I needed an hour because I hadn't finished the pants. So I washed them, of course, like I say to you all the time, treat that fabric mean and it will keep you keen. So you treat it, I heat it up, and I put it in the dryer as well. So wash and dry. It left like little white bits that look like snow. It was so lovely. It wasn't like it was the fluff that came off in the dryer. Anyway, I'm just going to get this because I've been sent a photo, which could be the traffic is really bad, and he's just sent me a voice text, so I'll just get that. Okay, so the big drama was he got caught in traffic. So that was actually a photo of massive traffic on Transmission Gully, and it was saying it's going to take him an hour to get from there to home, which we're going to Mum's place. She doesn't know that, but she won't see this before we get there. So hi, Mum. Anyway, so what was I up to? I was saying about the white linen pants. Yeah, so this was Tuesday. I went down, picked up, after singing, picked up some white linen, washed it. You've heard all that. And then I made, cut out Thursday. Yes, Thursday I cut out the white linen pants. On the Wednesday I'd finished and marked and hemmed. I did the DIY shift dress by the Sewing Revival. I had hemmed the Tamarama pants that I had already made. I had also taken out some of the elastic because they were too loose in her Tamarama pants. Happy with the blue pants, loved the extra length I'd stuck on the bottom of them, her shorts, sorry. I marked the hem for her bias skirt, the Genoa. It's a Starlark skirt that I made out of that gorgeous floral, this one here. So here's the little part I hemmed off. I just finished it off with a rolled hem, so just on my overlocker, narrow hem, rolled hem on my overlocker. So it's just got that little, and what else did I do? And so I made the white linen pants on the Thursday, cut it out, made them up, popped down to see a friend of mine who is possibly more like, we're friends, but I work for the company, the company that I do hemming, a lot of hemming with. I hadn't seen her since last year, so I thought I'd better catch up with her, see how it's going, because I know she's selling a house. So I did that yesterday. I call it my hot little date. So yeah, did that. Excuse me, you don't need to tip the bottle up. The straw goes all the way to the bottom. I've read 11 books. I'm into my 12th book. I thought I'd throw that out there before I forget. So yes, it's been a very busy week, and I've managed to punch in one or two things. My youngest child, Samuel, I've talked about going out with him on Sundays and spending time with him on Sundays. My son has joined a church, and I've gone to the church to ensure it's a good church. We have one or two little naughty ones in this country, so making sure he's kept protected. Anyway, so we had a lovely time. Xander came with us, even though they argue all the time. I sort of gave Xander the option. Hey dude, your brother's getting baptized on Sunday, would you like to come? Yeah, I'll come. I know you can think about it. No, I'll be there. So he went to it. My daughter, excuse me, I just sneezed. So my daughter came. So yeah, we went as a great big family unit. He had quite a few friends there that he goes to uni with. They were good friends of his, and also the student counsellor that was at his school at St. Pat's as well, where he went to school. So it was an emotional time. But I gifted him a cross that my nana, my mum's mum, had given to me when I was 21. And I cleaned it up and gifted it to him. So I just want to engrave the back on it. So that was probably my really emotional time of the week, Sunday. So that was pretty different, actually. I've never seen a baptism before, and it was very it was nice. It was nice how the whole family actually, even his dad went to support him in this particular endeavour he's decided to take upon. So all good, and everyone there is just so lovely, so nice. So it was good. Anyway, so I don't know if you are Facebook friends with me. If you are, and if you've seen my story, I think it comes up as a story. It's gone now, but it was some photos of that particular day, so it was nice. So Monday, woo, yeah, let's talk about Monday. Monday was horrific. I think our gross water from the sky is about 60 millimeters. I think that's how you measure it. On Monday, we had 130 in one day. It was a horrible day. We were orange weather warnings in some parts of Wellington. Xander went to work, which, it didn't upset me, because that would be really the wrong word to say. It was worrying, to say the least, because they're asking people to stay off the roads. All you were doing was being the superhero to go to work, but you're blocking the roads if something happens. So, for the emergency services to go through. Now, he didn't get far. He just got down the road to Stokes Valley, where his boss was, one of his bosses, and they had to drop down, chainsaw up a tree that had fallen in the yard. Trees down everywhere, fences. I swear to God, there possibly are a few trampolines that have gone walkabout. We were quite lucky. Mum did have some issues with trees coming, splitting a bit or something, and I was more concerned about my mother in the rain. Yes, I'm looking at you, Mum, saying don't. If the plant dies, too bad. I'd rather that than a tree land on you in your backyard. Just saying. Anyway, so it was all taken care of. She was all good. But you just sort of get a bit, no. Anyway, so so that's pretty much what I have done in life and part of my sewing. I am wearing right now the bee blouse. It was a Simply Sewing from the Simply Sewing magazine. I made one in a floral, and I made it with the fabric from Fabricwheeloffate last year. Yeah, I think that's when I started my Fabricwheeloffate. And it was there was no finish sizing, and my bust was like a little bit squashed. So anyway, I made this one, obviously with a full bust adjustment. It was to wear with my green pants that I took to Aussie, which was nice. So it's a little bit bigger. So, but it's, I think here is the tightness across this part here, which once you make it again, you know, and you figure it out. So with that, I've also got on my blue high-waisted pants from Swim Style. Which is a lovely Aussie company. They also do the Carla suit, and they do Carla lounge set, and they do the Tamarama set. Right, now let's get to what I've made besides stuff for everyone else. I have started my bee bag for my friend whose birthday it is in 2 weeks-ishness. And I did make the Carla lounge set. So I have it here. I might have just taken it off because I was trying it on. Oh, and I got a thread. Let me just get this thread. That's from my cover stitch machine. Okay, so here's the Carla blouse. Okay, it's just it's just got a normal standard elastic in the band here with a little bit of overlocking, a cover stitch machine. And yeah, so just, that's the top, and here are the pants. Now the pants, I made a large. The thing with this particular pattern, which is a bit annoying, is that it doesn't give off your finished size. So it doesn't give you a hip measurement, your waist measurement, your bust measurement as the finished garment. And if it does, correct me, because I sure the heck can't find it in my instructions. So tad annoying. So I've got some elastic in this. The elastic is actually this wide as the band is, right? And it's yeah, no pockets. So the next one I make, I think I'm going to stick pockets in it, because I think it needs pockets, because everything needs pockets. I'm a pocket girl. I like to put things in my pockets. Frustrating when I don't. Oh, speaking of pockets, my pants that I made, the Pommer pants from my last Wheel of Fate, I wore them out the last night to games night, and Johnsy said, oh, you got your pajamas on. I said, no, not pajamas. So no, they're pants. So I did wear them out, but only from house to house. So Carol, I will wear them out, and I do like them. They are good. Only the part that I made them nice and long, which I'm happy about. Okay, so inside my label, inside this, it's got my name, and it's got life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be. And just the top, because it's only got that small band around the neck, I've just got my name in it. So I'm going to put that on so you guys can see it. Okay, this is me in my Carla. So the Carla lounge set is this particular one right here. Yeah, easy to make, nice easy make it was. When I did, now everything was finished with my cover stitch machine. I made it with my my overlocker, 4 thread, and I'll just no, I won't, because it, yeah, and my hair is coming out like it's doing the little fro bro thing. I had to go blood this morning. I didn't give it for funsies, I gave it to test. So I've got to find where I can start giving blood again, donating it. More's the point. So yeah, so that's what I've made today. And I don't know, what do you think? That really pops my eyes out. It's kind of my colour, eh? I think it's a bit okay. I love the sleeve length on it. The pants, I've got just a small overlocked cover stitch hem of 2 centimeters. And yeah, just, I mean, it's not too tight. It's not too tight around my wrist, but it stops, it's enough to not go over my hand. So it's not too big, it drops over my hand, but it's nice. I can pull it up to there if I decide I'm doing the dishes or something like that. It's nice and cozy and warm. Like I said, Monday was absolutely pure hot mess in traffic. I thought something was moving behind me. It was a hot mess in the weather, and Mother Nature was having another one of her turns, bipolar much. So, and today it's sunny and beautiful and warm. Well, it's warm in here because I've got a heater on. Don't tell Mr. Christopher. So yeah, that's what I have been up to. I do need to, I've got a wedding that I did the wedding dress for. If you remember rightly, I did a wedding dress at the beginning of this year. So I now have her brother's jacket, the bride's brother's jacket. I need to take the shoulder in that much. I said to him, I said, it's too big for you. Can you go back and get it? And he goes, no, I've been back. I said, yes. He said he wasn't happy I came back. I said, the guy wasn't happy that you came back because he gave you the wrong size. He goes, yeah. And I said, are you a bit scared of him? And he goes, maybe. And I said, you should be scared of me. So it is a pitter of a job, but it will have to be done. So that's what I've done today. I've got to hem the pants for the groom. He looks spiffy in his, and then get back to life, Jim. That's not as we know it. But I have, yeah, I've done all my bespoke items for my clients. So, and she's off to the sunny weather, hopefully in Sydney. So Sydney, put it on for her. Going to enjoy it and enjoy all her linens and her cottons that I made for her, and her spice cut skirt and the fabrics I love. So that's what I've made today. I've made this week, sorry, is the Kala. Started on the B thingo, considering a few things with the blue Wheel of Fabricwheeloffate. If you haven't seen my Fabricwheeloffate spin, jump in, have a look at it. I've got a whole playlist of it dating back to episode 1, season 1, sorry. So yeah, go back and have a look. Funsies, really. So that's it. That's me. Tomorrow I've got a student to teach, and I do think I have a client coming. It's actually a friend of my mother's. They used to go to a women's group together. So anyway, that is me. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for all the blue hearts that came up last time. If you don't want to comment, but if you'd like to drop say that you're watching heart, let's chuck up a purple one. Purple one's for blood cancer. Let's drop a purple heart for blood cancer to send my love to my friend who has just beaten it. That'd be really, really good. And I might have to do yellow hearts all for March, yeah? Okay, well, that sounds very English. Sorry. Okay, so I'll let you guys go. Thank you very much for tuning in. That has been my week. Thank you for sharing it with me. And I will see you later. Monday, hopefully I've got more on that bag. So my make 9 is Monday, where you guys have picked the bag for me to make. And then I've got my Wheel of Fate, hopefully something by Wednesday for you guys. Hopefully. And of course Friday will pop back up. Anything else, I'll just throw it out there, hey? Okay, so I want you to stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing. Hydrate. Hey, if you got these bottles and you got it from Kmart, don't stick it in a dishwasher. They shrink. I had one. This is 2 litres. It ended up being about 1 litre. I kid you not. The lid didn't fit either. Okay. Have no regrets, and I'll see you guys the next time I'm looking at you. Save face. See ya.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.